Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Loc Style Takedown. This will be my third Loc Style Takedown, and my last Loc Style Takedown was 5 months ago. Because the last few styles, I haven't been taking my hair down on camera because we've been like, well, life has just been busy. But yeah, this will be my third Loc Style Takedown, and I definitely felt like I should do a Loc Style Takedown for this video because she sewed my hair up. Like, it's thread in here. I have to get some scissors.
I was just about to say that.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Alisha. This is my fiance and also my loctician, Courtney. If you've been watching, then you know that. But yes, today we're gonna take down my hair. I've had this style in for 2 weeks. If you did not see me get my hair done in this style, I will link it in the card somewhere and also in the description box below. This was my, why did I have this hairstyle? Oh, we went to the Bronner Brothers hair show. Yeah, went to the Bronner Brothers hair show, so we wanted to do something really cool and cute. And we did some color in the back, which I always do. But yeah, this hairstyle was for a hair show. And yeah, I've had it in for 2 weeks. Actually 2 weeks and some change. I got it done on a Thursday. Today's a Sunday, so it's been 2 weeks and a few days. So it's definitely time to take it out. And then we're gonna moisturize my hair with some, y'all know my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Cream of Nature. We have some castor oil here for moisturizing by Shea Moisture. And then we got some Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. So that's it. I just want to let you guys know what's up. Thank you guys again for clicking on this video. And yeah, let's get this style down because my hair, y'all know when you wear buns, it's super itchy in the middle. So, and I also have dermatitis and so like basically a form of, not a form of psoriasis, but it's kind of like psoriasis. So I have a lot of like dandruff in my scalp and a lot of like scabs. Not scabs, but they're kind of like flakes that need to get like scratched off. So I'm super excited to get them out of my hair. And I'm not gonna wash my hair today, but we're gonna get some of my dandruff out, which is pretty simple. So yeah, thanks again for clicking this video, and we're gonna get into it.
With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of.
Okay, so Courtney just got done taking down my style, and she also moisturized my hair, and she scratched some of my she scratched some of my dandruff out, and she scratched some of my little scabs off from my dermatitis. So my scalp is real clean. She made sure she got everything out of my scalp. We didn't wash my hair or use the shampoo spray that I used in the previous video a few videos ago. She did get all of my dandruff out as much as as much as she could. So now I'm just putting this part in the video because it's what's really going on. My nape cut is very, very grown out since I've gotten my last style. So she's just gonna cut down my hair in the back so I can get, you know, get a little bit of use out of this retwist from my hair being up in the bun. Since it was up in the bun, my retwist didn't come down a lot because it wasn't moving, it was just in a bun. So I'm gonna get a use out of this retwist for about a week and a half maybe. So I need my nape cut down. So that's what we're about to do now.